Hello, my name is Fletcher and I'm from Schaeffler UK. I'm here to tell you about our new range of feed products that have recently been added to our tractor portfolio. What's an INA FEAD kit? Well, simply it's a complete belt system repair solution for tractors. As the number of belt-driven components such as air conditioning and in-cab electronics increase on modern tractors, so does the load on the belt and its components. Through our research, we have found that replacing the belt alone may not always be the answer. Yes, in many cases it's the belt that fails first, however, it's not always the root cause. So, what's included in a typical feed system? Firstly, you will find a multi-ribbed belt. This provides drive to the feed components. Also, an INA tensioner. This maintains the correct belt tension. Then, if needed, there will be an idler. The idler is used to guide the belt through complicated routings. If your alternator has an OAP fitted, which stands for overrunning alternator pulley, then this will be included in the kit. The OAP has the important function of helping to reduce vibration in the belt system. If you wish to find out more about INA FEAD or any other of our tractor products, then please visit the REPXPERT tractor part shop or speak to your local stockist. Thank you for watching.